I bought these galvanized raised garden beds myself, and in this video I'm showing the setup and talking about my experience with them. This is a 2-pack, and each bed is about 10 feet long, 2 feet wide, and 1 foot tall, so they give you a really nice amount of space for planting things like vegetables or flowers. It's pretty straightforward putting these together. You're connecting the panels together to create the shape of the bed. One thing I really like about these is how customizable they are. I actually got them set up originally and then decided I wanted to change the layout of my garden beds, and now instead of being stuck with one size or shape, it was really easy to remove a panel or even drill new holes to adjust the size and make them fit what I needed. That flexibility made a big difference, especially if you're still figuring out your garden layout or want to change things later on. The material is galvanized metal, so it feels sturdy and built to hold up well outdoors. Once they're assembled, they hold their shape nicely and give you a clean, organized planting space. In the video, you can see how they look once they're set up and how they fit into the garden space. Overall, these are a really solid option if you're looking for raised garden beds.